Hey guys, we're looking at how to divide decimals by decimals today, and I'm going to show you using the model that you see on the screen. So first thing that I'm going to do is model my dividend, which is 7 5/10. So you can see from my model that I have shown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have 5/10. This is a little bit different than when we were dividing by whole numbers because we're not sure how many groups we're going to make. What we do know is that we need to have 1 5/10 in each group. And what we're trying to figure out is if I have 7 5/10 and I'm going to put them into groups where there is 1 5/10 in each group, how many groups can I make? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start making groups of 1 5/10. So that's one group of 1 5/10. Okay, to continue making groups of 1 5/10, I'm going to have to get some more tenths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one whole and I'm going to split it into tenths. So I'm going to click this break pieces button so that I can make another group of 1 5/10. Here's another group of 1 5/10. And as I'm looking at my pieces up here, it looks like without doing any more regrouping, I can make a third group of 1 5/10. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Oops. There we go. So there's my third group of 1 5/10. And now to continue making groups of 1 5/10, I'm going to have to regroup some more because you can see that I don't have enough tenths to do that. So here's my one whole. I'm going to break it into tenths so I can make another group of 1 5/10. So I just made my fourth group of 1 5/10. And now you can see that I have exactly 1 5/10 left over. So I've made a fifth group of 1 5/10. And as you can see, I don't have anything left over to make more groups with. And so I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So if I'm trying to find a quotient for 7 5/10 divided by 1 5/10, I know that the quotient is going to be 5 because I made 5 groups of 1 5/10.